Hey guys, let's do the sprite challenge. Okay, so we're just gonna chug it.
I'm so scared.
Okay, I'm gonna step back up a little bit for you.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, I almost. Oh man. What the heck? Oh my goodness. Go. Oh my goodness.
It's like the Willy Wonka factory where you have to burp to get down.
Oh my gosh, actually though.
Thanks for watching.
No, I'm not done.
We got to this level, but yeah, come back for part 2. So stay tuned for part 2.